Fill your world with magic, fill your heart with song, fill your mind with flowers, plant them everywhere you go. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I hope that you enjoyed the little poem at the beginning. It's basically setting the theme for today's video. As you saw from the thumbnail, it's a fairy DIY and I'm just so excited to share this because it's definitely one of my favourites. So let's just get started. I'm starting off with this mason jar I got from Poundland, and then I'm taking some of these foam moss balls. I'm going to stick them on top of each other with some hot glue like this. And I'm going to make it a little bit more realistic by adding some more moss on top. This is reindeer moss and you can get it in different colours. As you can see, it looks like a mess right now, so I'm taking my scissors, tidying it up a little. We're going to add some toadstool to this, so I'm just removing the wire and then taking my hot glue to stick them down. I'm adding some flowers, so I'm going to take some artificial ones, long ones like this at the back, and then I'm also going to add in some real dried flowers. Then you're going to bring your jar back and we're going to gently place this inside. And you see how I've left a gap here? You're going to take some stones, you can take some gravel if you want. I'm using this from IKEA. So I've just got the smallest ones that I can find and I'm going to place them inside at the bottom. Now I'm taking this small fairy that I got from the works and I'm going to place her inside, sitting on the moss. Now you're going to get some of this hair gel, the blue one from Poundland, and you're going to put some inside so that it just goes in this area here that we have available for the fake water. So you can see what lovely detail that's added, and this is my secret tip instead of using resin because that's a lot more harmful and a lot more expensive. And this isn't going to dry up because you're going to have the lid on, so it can stay for years. It literally does not dry up because I've done this quite a few times now. I've cut some of this netting off so that I can use it on the top. I just feel like this is really perfect for fairy projects. So this will go under the lid and the lid will go on top. I'm also taking some old jewellery, and this is a key embellishment that I got in a pack. So what I'm going to do is remove this leaf here and add the key because I feel like that's more fairy related. Just to match the silver, I'm going to colour this in with my artisan marker. Next I'm taking this LED tea light and I'm just pushing it through the net, so I've created a hole. And that way you can have access to it, the on and off button, because we're not sticking it inside on the lid. So as you can see, you close it and then when you open it you can just turn it on and off and screw the lid back on. For the final touch I'm going to be adding some lace, and this has some pearls on, so I thought it'd look really nice, kind of like shabby chic. I'm just going to cut its size and then hot glue it on. And so here's today's finished project. Didn't I tell you this is just so magical and wonderful? It really does have a special place in my heart, and I really hope that this has inspired you. It is really quick and easy, so you can definitely have a go at it. And let me know what you think of my secret tip using the blue hair gel. If you're into making crafts to sell, then you should definitely try this because things like this really go quite pricey. I think these also make wonderful gifts, so I might make a few for my friends and family. And this is how it looks at night. Isn't it just so magical? I really love how it illuminates the inside, and I have decided to use the battery operated LED that changes lights, but you can go with one colour only. I'm so excited to know what you think of this project because, as I explained at the beginning of the video, it's just one of my favourites. I really do love it, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching. If you have, make sure you subscribe and leave me a thumbs up. It really does help me out, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.